finite set. So this is second class of sets. We are doing sets second class. Now here the other definitions we need to understand. What is finite set? What is finite set? Finite set means if a set contains limited number of elements, countable number of elements. If set contains countable number of elements, that set is called finite set. Please write down. If a set contains countable number of elements, is called finite set. Is called finite set. Example A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Infinite set. Infinite set. If a set contains uncounted number of elements, no limit. Example, general example, so many we can tell. Number of stars in the sky. Can you count the number of stars? No. Infinite number of elements. So uncounted number of elements is called infinite set. Finite set, if a set contains countable number of elements, that is called finite set. Empty set already over. Equal sets. Equal sets. What is the meaning of equal sets? Equal sets means there are two sets having same number of elements. A equal to B. Please note down. There are two sets having same number of elements. Not same number, same elements. In the given two sets having same elements, those two sets are called equal sets. Equivalent sets.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir.
Equivalent sets. If the two sets having same number of elements, for example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to A, B, C, D. See this. Number of elements in A equal to number of elements in B. N of A equal to N of B. Please write down. If any two sets having same number of elements, if any two sets having same number of elements, called equivalent sets. Shabrish, do you know about the intervals?
No, sir.
Please write down intervals. How the intervals will come. Intervals are like this. See, try to understand. First, open interval. There are 4 types of intervals. Open interval. Open interval means round interval. It's the interval will be like this. For example, I am taking 1, 6 open interval. What is the meaning of this? 1 less than x less than 6. The values in between 1 to 6. Closed interval. What is the meaning of closed interval? Suppose like this. 1, 6. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. Left to open, right closed interval. Left to open, right closed interval. For example, 1, 6. 1, 6. See, there is a lot of difference. Don't think that these two are same. Like this. This is left to open, right closed interval. 1 less than x less than or equal to 6. Left to closed, right to open interval. Do you know how it will come? One less than or equal to x less than or less than 6. Intervals. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Power set. What is power set? You know? For example, I am taking A is equal to ABC. Can you write the subsets of this set, Shabrish? What are the subsets?
A, B, and C.
What are the subsets of this set? A is the
A,
subset.
B subset, and C subset.
C also subset. AB, BC, AC, These are all also subsets, no?
Yes, sir.
ABC. ABC subset to ABC or not?
ABC, no, sir.
Subset only, no? Every element here, every element.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Null set also a subset. Correct?
Yes, sir.
All these are the subsets of the set. If you put in a set all these, this is called power set. So please write down what is the definition of power set. Power set definition: the set of all subsets to a given set. The set of all subsets, the set of all subsets to a given set called power set. Number of elements in the power set is equal to 2 to the power n of a, 2 to the power 3, 8. See this. How can you find the number of elements in the power set? N of p of a. 2 power n of a, 2 power 3, 8. Done, Shevrish?
Yes, sir.
Venn diagrams. Please see this. Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams will be like this. How can you draw A union B? Can you see this? So there are two sets, set A, set B. Now here, how can you take this one? Say A union B means complete A and B. Full shaded. Full shaded. This is called A union B, fully shaded. This, please write down.
Yes, sir.
A union B. A intersection B now. Second one, common. Intersection means common. How can you take common? This part is ఏందో సౌండ్ దేవమా ఎవరు పెట్టుకున్నారు నీకు నొప్పి ఉందా దిస్ ఈస్ ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి శబరీష్ దిస్ కామన్ పార్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ బోత్ ఏ అండ్ బి గాట్ ఇట్
Yes, sir.
now the third one a minus b already we discussed I think a minus b already I told you how is a minus b this is a this is b the part which belongs to a but does not belongs to b. Can you remember this is a minus b? A minus b, please write down.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done. Okay. A dash mu minus a. What is a dash? A dash is mu minus a. This is mu. This is a. That is mu. This is a. So the remaining part, mu minus a. Mu minus a is, this is the shaded region is a dash. This is a dash. A dash is mu minus a. Fifth one, n of a union b. N of a, n of b minus n of a intersection b. N of a union b formula. N of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. N of a union b formula, n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you know first exercise? 1.1 exercise. Please.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following are sets justify your answer? The collection of all the months in a year beginning with the letter J. Can you tell me, please?
So January and then June, July.
Very good. Very good. January, June, and July. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Yes, first one is the set. Second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. On what basis you can say the talented, most talented? No, we can't tell. Who is most talented writers means there are thousands of writers in India.
Yes, sir.
Talent is their own property. We can't say who is more talented. It's not possible. So second one is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Is it possible to tell?
No, sir. No, sir.
Of fourth one, the collection of all boys in your school. Yes. Fourth one is yes. Why? Because in school maximum 1,000, 2,000 boys will be there. You can tell very easily. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. This is also a set. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
A collection of all novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand.
Yes, sir.
We can tell. Yes, set. The collection of all even integers.
Is not
2,
for
4,
us.
6, 10, like that.
Yes, sir.
The collection of question papers in this chapter. Yes, we can tell. Collection of questions in this chapter. Yes. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Most dangerous, less dangerous won't be there. Correct or not?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Second problem, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol in the blank spaces. 5 belongs to A. 8 does not belongs to A. 8 does not belongs to. 5 belongs to. 0 does not belongs to. 4 belongs to. 2 belongs to. 10 does not belongs to. Question number 1. Sabrish, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You do one thing, you can try all these. I think easily you can do.
Okay, sir.
It's chapter, how much you can do, you do today. Tomorrow, whatever you are not getting, will complete that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Bye, Shatrish. Bye. So this is sets part 2, and please utilize these classes. So, and my contact number already I shared. This is Brilliant Academy. And my name is Mohan. And my contact number